Alright, so I got the Evolve GT. Currently needs a little bit of work. Battery pack is coming apart. Charging port is fried. And I lost the charger. And then these over here, I snapped the deck on one, and then the other one, it's I blew the motor. So I got the Evolve GTR, and then I got another name off-brand one, and then the GT, and then I got a High Boy street skateboard. But pretty much, I'm gonna try to fix all these things and learn how to fix it and whatnot. So guys, stay tuned. This is Rozzy Grows. I'm trying to fix these electric skateboards for the summer. You know, getting these things ready. Put some air in these bad Larrys, you know what I'm saying? These actually go here, but I swapped them out in case I don't want to get no flat tires, so I put straight rubber. Run flats, baby, run flat.